Welcome to this GE Frame 9 alignment overview video. A GE Frame 9 is a gas turbine, and a gas turbine alignment is also known as a machine train alignment because 3 different machines are being aligned. On a GE Frame 9, there is an accessory skid which is coupled to the turbine. The turbine is then coupled to the generator. Before making any moves, we must make sure we have all the as-found readings. This is true of any machine train alignment. We take the readings at the accessory to turbine coupling, and then the readings at the turbine to generator coupling. Once we take our readings, we examine them so that we can see the alignment as a whole. Next, we incorporate the coupling targets. We will have a target for the accessory to turbine coupling, and also a target for the turbine to generator coupling. We must consider our as-found readings by combining them with these targets. From this line, we will be able to make all alignment calculations to move the machine train to the optimal alignment position. Remember to always make as few moves as possible. Most of the time, we will not want to make any moves to the turbine. Most likely, we will align the accessory skid to the turbine and then the generator to the turbine. We will make all our vertical moves first. We make the vertical moves by adding or removing shims. After making the vertical adjustments, we make horizontal moves. We do this by jacking over the accessory skid and generator to the left or the right to get them to the optimal alignment position. Once we've completed all the moves, we're done aligning the machine train. Nothing has to be done to the turbine because the turbine is the stationary machine. We can now align the components on the accessory skid. On the accessory skid, we will line up the starting motor to the accessory gear and then line up the lube oil pump to the accessory gear if there is one. Once these alignments are done, the entire machine train alignment is complete. At this point, we will take alignment readings at both the couplings to have a final as-left set of alignment readings. We must always end on a reading, never on a move. That's how we complete a GE Frame 9 gas turbine alignment. Thank you for watching.